Hello, I'm in a 2016 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your display. So first we'll start the vehicle, and this should be what the factory display looks like. If it looks very different from this, you might have some sort of aftermarket device installed, so it'd be different buttons. But otherwise, while we wait for this all to upload, for this all to populate here, we're going to go to configuration. And then from here, we'll scroll till we get to vehicle settings and then push menu. And then we'll keep scrolling, return to factory settings, enter, and then here, nowhere yes, we're going to hit yes, push menu again, and wait just a moment for it to factory reset. And that's it. I hope this was helpful, and I hope it resolved whatever issues you were having. Have a great day.